In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Oanda and connect to Tradingview. First, make sure you have an active Oanda account. This can be either a live account or a demo account. And starting with a demo is a great way to practice without risk. Confirm that you can sign into Oanda on their website, so you know your account is active and ready to connect. Next, open Tradingview in your browser or desktop app and load any chart you like. You'll need an actual chart open because the connection tools live right under it. If you use Tradingview regularly, sign into your Tradingview profile so your layout and settings are saved. Now look along the bottom edge of the chart for the trading panel. If the panel is collapsed, click to expand it. This panel is where Tradingview lists supported brokers, and it's the control center for your broker connections. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout because you'll return here to manage the connection from the list of brokers. Find Oanda and click it. Tradingview will show you an option to continue and open the secure login flow. Click Continue. If a login window doesn't appear, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for Tradingview so the sign-in can proceed smoothly. When the login window opens, sign into your Oanda account using your normal credentials. If your account is with Oanda Global Markets, choose the Continue with one key login option. This routes you through Oanda's secure flow. Follow the prompts carefully. You'll be asked to authorize Tradingview to access your Oanda account. This authorization lets Tradingview read account data and place orders on your behalf from the chart. Review the permissions and confirm to proceed. You can revoke this access later from your Oanda account settings if needed. After authorization, Tradingview will connect to Oanda and return you to the trading panel. You should see your Oanda account listed, along with the connection status. If you have both live and demo accounts, you can switch between them here. Give it a few seconds. If data doesn't load immediately, a quick chart refresh usually does the trick. Once connected, you can place and manage trades directly from Tradingview's charting interface using your Oanda account. That's it. Thanks for watching.